Hi you guys, so I'm pretty sure this is going to be my intro. So we have been looking at a house and we are at the sales office right now. I might catch you guys up in a little bit or maybe just do the vlog later. But we are at the sales office. We're going to do a final walkthrough. We're supposed to sign the contract today and leave our deposit. So we're like, we're so nervous. We're so nervous. It's like so nerve-wracking. So yeah, I'm gonna catch you guys up on the details, but we're gonna go inside right now. So wish us luck. What is up, you guys? So I know that there are like little clips here and there, but so everything's been moving really fast. So the previous clip you guys just saw was us signing papers on our new home, so we were so excited. So we are here at the house. We are here today because we are going to do a little home blessing. So I have seen on Pinterest before people doing this, and I remember thinking like, oh my gosh, if I were to ever get a brand new home, I would do this to our home. I also seen another YouTuber, Melina, I'm pretty sure her name's Melina. I forgot her last name, but I've seen her do it before, and like I just wanted to cry when I seen her do it. So yeah, we're here and we went to Dollar Tree and we got some markers. I don't know how we're gonna get the clips in because we want to try and keep the kids like in here, but before I do that, I am gonna give you guys a little bit of a quick walkthrough. So it did have like just the wood panels. It was framed just like a few days ago, and so this week they put up the I don't know what it's called, but they put up the walls on the inside of the house. So we're so excited, you guys. Like, this is our house. We're watching it grow. We waited so long for this. So yeah, I'll probably do another video or something like talking about it, but I'm hoping that I'm like capturing everything. So yeah, let's go inside. Here's the door. So you walk in. So you open the door. Oh, I can't believe how different it already looks. So these are the hallways. And this is the kitchen. So kitchen, pantry, and then dining tables right here. And then living room. Oh, you guys, I'm so excited. Master bedroom's over here. And then bathroom. Oh my gosh. Bathroom, shower, closet. So, you guys, this is so crazy to me. This is so crazy to me right now. Okay, so yeah, windows to our backyard. I wish like my camera would catch it a little bit better. You want the blue one? Okay, you guys, we gotta be fast.
What are you doing?
Hold on.
What you put the color on?
Okay, hold on. I gotta finish this video real fast. Okay, so what I really like about this is there's like, it's kind of like behind. So yeah, kitchen, this is the kitchen. And then you walk in and then there's bedroom, and then that's where the front door is. Bathroom, I'm so excited. So give this video a thumbs up if you guys like it or don't like it. That's okay. Just give us a thumbs up because we're so excited.
Hi guys, I'm from like some of the videos. Hi. Mom, I got some other markers and I'm gonna go get them.
Alright you guys, we are back at home. So it was a little bit harder because we were thinking we were going to be able to bring the kids in, but when we went in there, everything just felt like it was like they had just finished putting up the wall and stuff, so we didn't feel too comfortable having the kids in there for too long. So we were trying to like tag team with keeping the baby inside the car and also being able to write the scriptures and just kind of have like some quiet time in the house. So I am just so happy that we were able to do that. I know the walls were put up and stuff, so I did feel nervous about writing things really big and stuff, but we did find some pieces of wood and some places we thought would be okay. I know they still have to like texture the walls and stuff, so oh. Okay, so I just have to do like a little shout out video right now just because I don't know if I will make a video later in the future. You guys, so my husband and I are just celebrating our 10-year anniversary of being married, and so just the timing that God has is just crazy and mind-blowing. So just feeling really thankful right now. I'm not gonna lie, I do still feel like at any given moment, if this house is not for us, the rug can be like yanked from under our feet, and I'll be okay with that because I think I still have that mindset right now until we get handed the keys and we are like in that house. So I'm always gonna kind of feel like that because I never feel like everything is 100% certain. So, but I had to tell myself like just enjoy and relish in everything that is going on right now. So because your girl's been through some hard times the past like 2 years. It has been so crazy, and just like in like mentally going through it. So I'm so thankful for her right now. and just thankful for this time and the season that we're at in our lives right now. So like I always say, I'm not one to always think that this will always last. So I really just appreciate all the good that is happening right now, and just know that when times do get hard, they will get better again. It's always, you know, give and take. So thankful for the season right now. Alright you guys, so I'm not too sure if I'm gonna end up the video right now. I do plan on doing a quick little clean with me video because I know the beginning was really short. So I think I am gonna go ahead and clean for you guys.
Waiting for you. You were always taking time, baby, playing it through. I was calling out your name, with my eyes on the wall. You were running like a ghost from me. You were running from it all. You got me waiting, I'm on fire. You got me waiting, my desire. Keep on moving to the purpose now, to the ending of the ocean. Keep on moving to the purpose now, to the ending of the ocean. You've been playing my mind lately, turn it around. Once I thought you were mine, baby, we're safe and sound. You got me waiting.
Yum, so good.
On the ocean. Keep on moving to the purpose now, to the ending of the ocean. You've been playing my mind lately, turn it around. Once I thought you were mine, baby, we're safe and sound. You got me waiting, I'm on fire. You got me waiting, my desire. I follow your heartbeat. Keep on moving to the purpose now, to the ending of the ocean. Keep on moving to the purpose now, to the ending. I follow your heartbeat away, away, away. I follow your heartbeat away.
Alright you guys, that is going to be the end of my video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys are new here, make sure to subscribe and also give this video a big thumbs up for me. But yeah, I'm really excited to just show the whole process of us buying this home and start doing home decor videos for different rooms in the house and buying furniture and all that kind of stuff. So I'm so excited. So I hope you guys subscribe so you can be part of the family and follow along with us on this new chapter on our lives. We are so excited. And so yeah, I will see you guys in the next video.